Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Jeff, and today I'm going to show you Hoonigan's IndyTruck, which is a combination of a 2017 Honda Ridgeline with a 2022 IndyCar engine, built as a partnership between Honda and Hoonigan. If you guys like this video, you can go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. So this was a donor truck again from Honda partnership where they actually stuffed a 2.2 liter V6 that is twin turbocharged for the 2022 IndyCar season, is capable of 700 and 900 horsepower at 12,000 RPM, which is absolutely insane. Just look how compact the engine is. You can see it was signed by various members of the Honda Hoonigan team and sort of just setting everything up for this truck, which is actually really well done and has a really cool appearance. It also utilizes 2021 Acura NSX hubs, suspension arms, carbon ceramic brakes, and a lot of custom inboard suspension and subframe, all built in-house at Hoonigan. I mean, just look at this thing. The aero is absolutely insane, and I like the little quarter panels there. Look very IndyCar, look like they were taken straight from the car. If you guys like that video, go ahead and smash that like button for me. I'd really appreciate it. And you can subscribe to more content like this in the future.